nag-check engine nito. Scan na natin to. Ayan, may check engine. So, lagay natin yung Bluetooth. Ayan guys, lumabas. Cam sensor. Saka exhaust gas recirculation. Guys, susubukan na natin to kung may check engine ba. Pinalitan natin ng EGR. Ayan, ito, EGR valve. Ayan guys, wala nang check engine.